All right, parents, today we're going to talk about having patience with your homeschool child. All right, this is very important. If you don't have any patience, then you can't homeschool, okay? You have to have patience, especially for the kids in the younger grades, parents who have kids that are in the younger grades, like he was in the third grade. You want to make sure that you have patience. And I don't know if you watch my other videos. Watch one of my videos on meditation. And there's another video I have on love frequency vibration. So basically that's keeping everything in the house love, loving your child and everything, and no screaming, no yelling, none of that. You want to make sure that you have patience with your child. It doesn't matter what they do. You have to get yourself ready first, before you start your homeschool. Always get yourself ready first. I don't know what you do, to get ready. My suggestion, meditate, because that's what I do. I meditate and I get myself ready. I command my day to make sure that I have patience with my homeschool child. Zakai's a really good kid, but parents, make sure that you always have patience with your homeschool child, because the last thing that you ever want to do is make your homeschool child cry, okay, by not having patience. Because the moment you do that, and the moment that kid start crying, it's a wrap, okay? Because they're gonna end up probably not liking homeschool. If you make them cry, you always want to make them feel as comfortable as possible. So you have, like I just told you, you got to make sure you get yourself ready first. You got to have your patience first before you start homeschool with your child. Like I said, especially the kids that are a little younger. My son is in the 8th grade now, where I started him when he was in the 3rd grade. So always have that patience. Parents, I am urging you, please make sure you always have patience with your homeschool child, all right? It's not hard. It's not hard to do. I mean, I love kids, As long as you set your environment up, as long as you set the foundation up and everything, you will have a nice patience. You will have awesome patience with your child, okay? And this is homeschool, so you want to make homeschool better than school. Like if they were in school, for example, my son was bullied, right? I mean, literally, he couldn't mop the floor with him. I taught him how to fight, but I told him, don't do it. But all I'm saying is that that environment that they were in, it wasn't good. For my son, it wasn't good. So I pulled him out. So I have a lot of patience. I make sure that I have a lot of patience with my son. And I don't know if I can remember a time that I really got upset with him, especially at homeschool. I try to make everything awesome at homeschool. Make everything awesome. Make everything awesome at homeschool, okay? And make sure that you have the proper patience to homeschool your child. If you don't have patience, and if you try to do it, and you try to I'm trying to be patient. If you can't be patient, I'm sorry, but you might as well put your kid back in school, okay? You don't ever want to put yourself in a position to where you don't have patience. Okay, so like I said, always have patience with your homeschool kids. Period. Bottom line. All right. I hope that was some good tips for you for being patient. Okay. I am the Homeschool Dad. I will see you in the next video.